Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Oracle databases using AWS DMS and export scripts, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Oracle databases using AWS DMS and export scripts, begin by ensuring your Oracle database is running properly. Next, log into the AWS Management Console. Search for AWS Database Migration Service in the console and select it. Click on the Create Replication Instance button. Fill in the details for your replication instance, including instance class and storage size. Ensure your replication instance is in the same VPC as your Oracle database to avoid connectivity issues. Once created, navigate to the Endpoints section. Click Create Endpoint to configure your source Oracle database. Provide the necessary details, such as database engine type and endpoint identifier. Enter the server name, database name, port, username, and password for the Oracle database. Test the connection to confirm that the settings are correct. Now, create another endpoint for the target database where the backup will be stored. Follow the same steps as before, ensuring that you provide the target database details. Next, head to the Tasks section in AWS DMS. Click Create Task to initiate backup configuration. Select the source and target endpoints you previously created. Choose the migration type, typically migrate existing data. Now, select the table mappings. You can choose to migrate all tables or specific ones based on your needs. Configure any additional settings such as data transformation or metadata settings. Once complete, start the task to begin the backup process. While the DMS task is running, open SQL Developer or another SQL client to run exports. Connect to your Oracle database using the appropriate credentials. Use the exp or exp command to initiate the export process. Specify the export directory and file name as part of the command. Run the export command to generate the backup file. Monitor the DMS task until it completes successfully for a comprehensive backup. After completion, verify the data in the target database. Optionally, consider scheduling regular backups using AWS DMS for ongoing data safety. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.